You've been involved in an incident, and as a result, you've received a criminal summons to appear at the City of Lone Tree Municipal Court. This process can be frightening and full of uncertainty. You may be asking yourself, what options do I have?
The City of Lone Tree is one of the few cities in the state of Colorado that has a teen court program. Teen court is a program for juvenile defendants who are issued a summons and complaint into the Lone Tree Municipal Court. Every juvenile that is issued a summons and complaint into Lone Tree Municipal Court is automatically screened to determine if they are eligible for teen court.
Teen court is limited to first-time juvenile defendants under the age of 18 who have been charged with low-level, non-violent offenses. If you find yourself in this category of people, you may be eligible to participate in teen court.
Teen court is a voluntary program and will not meet every teen's needs. Lone Tree Teen Court is an alternative diversion program to traditional sentencing processes. Teen Court focuses on youth-led restorative panels for willing teenage respondents to address their mistakes and find meaningful ways to move forward.
Teen court differs from traditional prosecution in many ways. Unlike traditional prosecution, where the respondent enters a plea of guilty or not guilty with the court, in teen court, the respondent does not enter a plea. The Lone Tree Teen Court does not decide guilt or innocence.
In order to participate in teen court, an eligible teen must take full responsibility for their actions. The Lone Tree Teen Court does not decide guilt or innocence because they utilize a youth-led peer panel model. The peer panel volunteers are only asked to determine an appropriate sentence for the teen respondent based on the offenses they are charged with.
So what does this mean for eligible teens and their families?
Teens who choose to participate in teen court will do so after they come to court for their initial court date listed on their summons and agreed to a deferred prosecution agreement offered to them by the City of Lone Tree. This agreement will last for a period of 6 months.
During this 6-month time frame, if the respondent successfully completes their teen court sentence requirements within a 3-month period and is not charged with any new criminal offenses within the 6-month deferred prosecution period, then the city will agree to dismiss the pending case and the respondent's record will be expunged.
This agreement is entered into formally before the municipal court judge, and at that time, the judge will make the referral for the teen to enter the teen court program. After the teen formally enters the program, the next step is for them to have an intake interview with the teen court coordinator. This interview is to exchange important contact information, discuss the nature of the incident, and go over in more detail teen court expectations. Also, this is when the respondent's peer panel will be scheduled. Peer panels are held in the evenings and on the weekends at the City of Lone Tree Courthouse. Panels are led by youth volunteers who have completed required general legal training.
During the peer panels, teens will come before a panel of other teenagers in the community to reflect on the causes of what happened and what led up to their decisions that brought them here. Panels focus on how the respondent's choices impacted others and, most importantly, how the respondent can repair any harm that was caused to the community as well. Once everyone has had the opportunity to share their perspective and ideas, the panel then determines a unique restorative sentence for the respondent.
Interactions between teen panelists and respondents are designed to be respectful, reflective, and reparative. In teen court, we recognize that everyone makes mistakes. Hopefully, this process can help repair the harm to everyone affected and help teens gain a rewarding sense of closure.
Upon successfully completing their sentence, teens will have their records expunged. We at Teen Court believe that learning from mistakes and making amends with everyone involved is much more important than simply inflicting a punishment.
The Teen Court program strives to provide one-on-one case management and individualized sentencing requirements. The program is rooted in equitable principles and allows juvenile defendants the unique opportunity to engage with the law, government, peers, and the community positively and honestly, while at the same time allowing juvenile defendants to accept responsibility for their actions.
Teen Court is designed to increase community safety and engagement, but also has the power to increase victim satisfaction. If you are an eligible teen who is willing to take responsibility for your actions and would like the opportunity to repair the harm that has been caused, please consider Teen Court as an option for you.
We hope you choose Lone Tree Teen Court.